Can I turn a simple A3 sheet into a winning school project? Today I'm making an energy conservation poster for my school competition, but I have no idea how it's going to turn out. After hours of painting and outlining, will I actually win? Let's find out. Hi guys, today I'm going to work on a school project about energy conservation or simply saving energy. So let's get started. First, I'll need to get an A3 sheet which is laying up here. It's really stiff. First, I'll place the wooden board on this table, then I'll put the sheet on it, and finally I'll tape it down. And here are my art materials that I'll be using for the drawing. But here's the twist. For that, I'm going to use something special. My poster color. There are a total of 12 shades in this which I'm going to use. First, I'll sharpen my pencil, and to use poster colors using water is essential. And now I'll make an outline on this page with a pencil, but I don't know what I'm going to draw yet. Since the topic is save energy, I'll look for some ideas on Pinterest and then make a few changes to them according to my own style before drawing. First, I'll move my supplies over there and tilt this plywood board. First, I'll draw the shape of Earth, and in the middle, I'll create a chessboard-like pattern. And now I'll draw the chess pieces here that are releasing pollution, and here I'll draw the chess pieces that represent greenery and nature. And now I've finally drawn the chess pieces here. And now I'm going to draw this dirty looking river and this round thing here which I'm not even sure what is it. And now it's time to draw these cool looking chess pieces which I'm really excited about. I've drawn two chess pieces in the middle that are fighting each other, and I've also added a hand above them. I've placed the good looking chess pieces on the right side, and I've divided the river into two sections, and now it's looking really good. And now I'm going to add something here using my own creativity, but I don't know what should I draw. I'm getting hungry now. So I looked at some references and created this design. Here I've written save energy, added a light bulb, some windmills, and a tree. After making the outline, it's now time to use the poster colors. I'll wet my brushes first so I can use them properly. Now I'll start with the red color. First I'll squeeze some out like this. Then I'll use the red color for the background, and I'll fill the chessboard pattern with black. Now I'll fill in the rest of the pattern with colors. I'll use black on the left side and keep the other side colorful so it looks like the left side represents pollution and the right side represents greenery. And this is how it looked after I finished. Now there's still an empty space on the left side. Here I'll create an earth pattern, making the earth look dry and its weather polluted. On the right side I'll show greenery on the earth and make the water look fresh and clean. And I still have to draw the factories here which I'm going to start working on now. And after that I painted the earth part on the left side. For the land I used brown so that it would look dirty. For the water I mixed green and a little red to make it look polluted as well. And look at how I'm drawing it. And now I'll take a little yellow color, make it slightly wet, and fill in the windows so that factories look like they have lights on inside. And then I also used yellow color to the light bulb, and then I drew fire behind the factories to make the scene look a little more intense. The fire was only in the drawing, but when I went outside it actually started raining. I really enjoyed seeing that, and I got a little wet too. And now my drawing looks something like this. And now I'm going to have some food. Here's the first bite for you. And now I'm going to eat. Oh, my mom makes such a delicious food. And now I'll use a black marker. I'll outline the factories with it to give them a little more depth. I'll also outline the chessboard pattern so that it looks more three-dimensional. And I'll use white color to give the chess pieces a shiny look so they look more realistic. And they were looking really good too. Now I'll color the bottles. I made a mistake here. I accidentally made the water in the bottles look clean, which I shouldn't have done. But my teacher told me to make it a little brown so it would look dirty. Anyway, let's move on. I made the smoke coming out of the factories using a dark brown color and added a few shadows to make them look better. And look, I've made a dirty looking river here, but I didn't record myself making it. Oh well, no worries. And now I'm going to add a few more things here to make the drawing look even better. And now I'll make a clean, fresh looking river, and I'll color the background on the right side green to give this side a fresh and natural look. And now I'm outlining the light bulb, and this is how it looks. I'm really enjoying doing this, and the outline is finally complete. And now I'll outline the fire with a black marker, and this is how it turned out. It's looking really good. And now these are the parts I still need to outline with the black marker. I'll work on them as well and then add color to them. Now I think I should finish the outline first and then move forward. I really enjoyed the outlining process. It was quite easy for me, and I was having a lot of fun doing it. I really enjoyed spending time on this part, and I think this might be my favorite part of the whole drawing. And now I'm really tired. I don't think I can work anymore. And finally, I'll color all these remaining empty parts, and look, these parts over here are looking so good too. They look really beautiful. Before that, I'll draw straight horizontal and vertical lines so that I don't forget to make the chessboard pattern. And now by using lot of green and some blue, I can show greenery and natural elements on the right side. They were looking really good to me. I think they turned out really well. And now I'll color the chess pieces on the right side. I'll use brown for them so they can represent trees, and the brown colors look really good on them. And now I'll work on the sand on the right side. It wasn't too difficult for me because I only used two colors for it. I added a few small details here and there, and after finishing all those details, the final drawing was complete. Then I wrote my name, class and school name on the back. And look at how my amazing drawing looks. I think my teachers are going to love it. And here are some final shots of the drawing for you to enjoy. Yes, it's really look amazing. And now I'm going to the bed because it's already 11 o'clock.
And it's time to sleep. Like, share, and subscribe.
The next day.
So I am ready now, and if I get the result, I'll definitely let you know. For now, I'm heading to school. Bye. But the result didn't come that day. So I came back from the school empty-handed.
2 days later.
So guys, the result is finally out and I came second. That was actually more disappointing than coming third. But anyway, I got the second prize. Let's open it and see what's inside. Huh? Cup? I got a cup for the second prize. Oh my god. Guys, I got 2 cups for coming second. Like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel so the next time I don't come second.